everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be giving you project overview of Bhanduk's one of the most budget friendly property, that is Marathon Neo Homes. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the sales office. You can also have a look at the neighborhood. This road leads you to the main road, and to my left is the actual land parcel. In this video, we are going to be covering the following points, which include project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discounts, offers, and many more. But before that, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore, because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, as you can see, I'm standing right in front of the actual land parcel. Right behind me is the actual land parcel. This tower is going to be constructed on a land parcel of 1 acre with 2 towers, ground plus 22 floors with configuration of 1 and 2 BHK. Talking about the connectivity of this project is located in Gadav Naka, Bhanduk West, with Eastern Express Highway at a distance of 5 kilometers, Bhanduk railway station at a distance of 2 kilometers, and upcoming 90 feet road which will connect you directly to Powai at a distance of just 100 meters. School, colleges, hospitals, all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Talking about amenities, this project has 20 plus amenities which include gym, kids play area, jogging track, banquet hall, and many more. If you're planning to buy a home in Mumbai, then I have a strong recommendation for you. Housey के Rights of Home Buyer series जरूर देखें. A lot of people do not know their actual rights. For example, if you have booked a home with builder and you've paid the token amount and now you want to cancel it, how much money can the builder legally deduct? And also, let's say that after possession, you have issue related to construction, leakage issue or anything. So what liability does the builder hold? A lot of people do not know their actual rights before buying home. We've explained everything in very easy to understand and simple language in this series. So next time if you plan to buy a home, इस सीरीज को जरूर देखें. इस सीरीज का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स एंड आई बटन में मिल जाएगा. Talking about carpet area, this project has 2 configurations, 1 and 2 BHK, where carpet area for 1 BHK ranges from 355 square feet to 374 square feet, and 2 BHK is going to be 476 square feet. Talking about booking process, our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site, where our sales team will help you with the complete project details. We'll also help you with the payment and EMI scheme, and also will show you the actual flat and the sample flat. If clients like the project, they can move ahead with the token amount. The token amount for all the configuration in this project is going to be 1 lakh rupees. So everyone, this was the project overview of Marathon Neo Homes located in Bhanduk West. To get more information about this very amazing property, do download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing properties, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.